Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to make your own hatch design in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, imagine you already have your design ready, and over here you turn that design into a block so everything becomes a single entity for easy use. After that, make sure your whole design is included in the block, then proceed to keep it ready for hatch creation. Then type Super Hatch in the command line and press Enter. Over here, when prompted, select the Block option and then choose the block you just created. After that, select the boundary where you want the hatch to appear and place it inside a rectangle carefully for proper alignment. Then keep pressing Enter to move through the setup options and leave the scale, rotation, and other settings as default. Over here, now click inside the where you want the hatch to generate, and AutoCAD will instantly create your custom hatch design. After that, your pattern will appear based on your block, giving your drawing a unique and customized look. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.